Behind me here is the foundation of a reinforced concrete retaining wall. You can see the starter bars already coming up from the foundation. And right in the middle of this joint is something very important called a water bar. This small element plays a big role in preventing water from passing through concrete joints. A water bar is a flexible strip usually made from PVC, rubber or metal, placed inside construction joints, expansion joints or movement joints in concrete structures. Its main purpose is to stop water from penetrating through the joint when the concrete structure is exposed to groundwater, rainwater or hydraulic pressure. When concrete is cast in stages, joints are created between the old concrete and the new concrete. These joints are usually the weakest point where water can seep through. The water bar acts as a physical barrier embedded inside the concrete, preventing water from traveling across the joint. You will commonly find water bars used in structures such as retaining walls, basements, water tanks, dams, culverts, tunnels, and bridge abutments, where water tightness is very important. Without a proper installed water bar, water leakage can cause structural deterioration, reinforcement corrosion, and long-term durability problems. That's why this small strip inside the concrete is a critical component in waterproof construction. If you enjoy learning practical construction details like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more civil engineering site knowledge.